The Richest Man in Babylon, George S. Clason. The book's core message. The Richest Man in Babylon, published in 1926 by George S. Clason, is a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon that teach timeless lessons about money management, wealth building, and financial wisdom. The book uses stories to illustrate fundamental principles of financial success, making it accessible and engaging for readers of all backgrounds. Though written almost a century ago, its lessons remain relevant today. The wisdom in the book is conveyed through characters living in the city of Babylon, one of the wealthiest cities of the ancient world. Through their experiences, Clason shares principles of saving, investing, and managing money that are simple yet powerful. The overarching message of the book is that anyone, regardless of their current financial situation, can achieve wealth and prosperity by following basic financial principles consistently. The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. How to Build Wealth. One of the most attractive and practical aspects of the book is the 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. These are fundamental principles that anyone can apply to grow their wealth. The main character, Arkad, known as the richest man in Babylon, shares these lessons with his fellow Babylonians. Start thy purse to fattening. The first step to building wealth is to save at least 10% of your earnings. Pay yourself first before paying others. This simple habit of saving ensures that you are consistently growing your wealth over time. Control thy expenditures. Wealth is not just about earning more, it's about managing what you spend. Avoid unnecessary expenses and live within your means. Many people fall into the trap of spending all they earn, but controlling expenditures is key to accumulating wealth. Make thy gold multiply. Once you have savings, put that money to work. Invest it wisely so that it can generate more income. This principle emphasizes the importance of investing in income-producing assets that can grow your wealth over time. Guard thy treasures from loss. Avoid risky investments and protect your money by seeking safe and secure investment opportunities. Don't be tempted by get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, seek advice from those experienced in finance and invest wisely. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Own your home and work to reduce the costs of living. Instead of paying rent to others, invest in property that can appreciate over time and potentially generate income for you in the future. Ensure a future income plan for the future by investing in assets that will continue to generate income even in your later years. This principle encourages long-term thinking and the importance of securing a financially stable retirement increase. Thy ability to earn. Always strive to improve your skills and knowledge, making yourself more valuable in the marketplace. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential. Seek wise counsel. The value of financial education. Clason also emphasizes the importance of seeking advice from those who are knowledgeable about finance and investments. In the book, Arkad advises others to consult with experts and those with proven success before making any major financial decisions. He warns against taking advice from people who lack experience in managing money. This lesson is particularly relevant in today's world, where there is an abundance of information and misinformation available. The book encourages readers to be discerning and to learn from those who have demonstrated success in managing money and building wealth. By valuing financial education and seeking wise counsel, individuals can avoid costly mistakes and make more informed decisions. This focus on continuous learning and prudent decision-making is attractive because it gives people the tools to take control of their financial future. The power of persistence and the long-term view. The book also emphasizes the importance of persistence and taking a long-term view of wealth building. The characters who succeed in Babylon do so because they are patient, disciplined, and willing to make sacrifices in the short term to achieve financial security in the long term. This message is appealing because it reassures readers that wealth building is not an overnight process. It requires commitment, perseverance, and the ability to stay focused on long-term goals. even when the journey seems slow or challenging. By promoting a long-term perspective, The Richest Man in Babylon offers a refreshing counterbalance to the get-rich-quick mentality that is often promoted in modern culture. It reminds readers that true wealth is built over time and through consistent effort. The importance of financial discipline and consistency. Another key theme of the book is the importance of financial discipline and consistency. Building wealth is not about sudden windfalls or luck, but about making smart decisions consistently over time. The characters in the book who achieve financial success do so by following the principles of saving, investing, and managing their money wisely, day in and day out. One of the most attractive aspects of this message is that it empowers the reader. The book emphasizes that anyone can become wealthy if they are disciplined and follow the right principles. It's not about how much money you start with, it's about how you manage what you have. This message is encouraging for those who feel overwhelmed by their financial situation. The book shows that financial success is achievable through small, consistent actions over time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The Law of Gold, the 5 Laws of Wealth. In addition to the 7 cures, the book introduces the 5 Laws of Gold, which are guiding principles for accumulating and protecting wealth. First law: gold comes gladly and in increasing quantity to those who set aside at least 1/10 of their earnings to create an estate for their future. Second law: gold works diligently and multiplies for the wise owner who finds it profitable employment. Third law: gold clings to the protection of the cautious owner who invests it under the advice of wise men. Fourth law: gold slips away from the man who invests it in businesses or purposes with which he is not familiar or which are not approved by those skilled in its keep. Fifth law: gold flees the man who would force it to impossible earnings or who follows the alluring advice of tricksters and schemers. These laws serve as a cautionary framework for both growing and preserving wealth. They emphasize the importance of prudence, wisdom, and experience when it comes to managing money. The idea that wealth must be actively managed and protected is a powerful one and remains highly relevant today, where people often face a myriad of financial risks and opportunities. Final thoughts on Clason's enduring legacy. The Richest Man in Babylon remains an attractive and interesting book because of its simple yet profound lessons on financial success. Its use of parables and storytelling makes complex financial concepts accessible and relatable, while its timeless principles of saving, investing, and managing money offer valuable guidance for readers seeking to improve their financial well-being.